We have a program that's provided to us as a realtor. Only realtors have access to this. It's called Realtor Property Resource. It's an awesome program that we don't get charged for. It's part of our benefits. And when we go to do a CMA, we can do something, we can do a quick CMA in our MLS program, or we can use some private CMA program. However, they've come forward with RPR and they've got this amazing report, and it walks us through step by step. So we can pull up information about the property and then we can put it into what almost looks like an appraisal grid. And it allows us to adjust and go through, and we can look at pictures and we can pull in extra information. And one of the things that I feel that not everybody knows is while I'm sitting in a property looking at it, I can go back and look at previous listings. I can look to see if there's tax records for it, all kinds of extra information that's normally not at our fingertips. So when we do this, we go down through, we put it together, it comes out in a grid format that sort of looks like an appraisal, but then they've put it into a session where the next click button after we finish adjusting puts us into a report. And they give us, I think it's about 70 pages that we could put into the report, but we don't have to. You can do 5 pages for that person who doesn't really like to read and they're not going to look at everything, or you've got the person who is just detail oriented. You can give them 70 pages. It'll keep them busy all weekend. But it gives a professional looking report. It's set up in a way that it's all very easily understood. It reviews data. It shows what the concluded price is, but it also shows you how we came to that price. And then when you have somebody who is resistant to your suggestions, you can show them pictures of their competition inside and out. And it talks about all the descriptions. This can all be done at one sitting, or you can save it and have it and go back to it. It's an amazing process, and it also allows you to just send this report out to your clients or to anybody and give them this update in a way that they can understand it. And in this class, I'm going to tell you exactly how to do this and how we can put it together. And if you get it done and you don't like it, you can go back. I'll show you how to go back and tweak it or turn something around. Get the best information that you can give to your clients.